Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, I show you how to assign menus to specific areas and times. First, click on General. Then go to Facilities. You are now in the overview of your facilities. To view the list of your facilities, click on the down-facing arrow of your main facility. Then, use the edit icon of the respective facility to adjust the settings of it. You are now in the settings of the facility. To assign a time period and specific menu to it, click on Menu. Under Menu Planning, you can select whether you want to set a menu for the POS or the self-service. Simply select the option needed. Then select a time period by using the corresponding drop-down menu. And select a menu for this period by using the corresponding drop-down menu. Now click on +Add to make the changes effective. And then click on Save to apply the changes. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to assign menus for specific areas and times. Keep in mind, since changes have been made, you must send them to your system by navigating to the general settings.